Hi, I'm Ken Martin, Chief Solutions Architect at Sibe PDM. I'm a SolidWorks user with 30 years of experience, and prior to joining Sibe, a PDM admin with over 15 years experience. Currently at Sibe, along with my amazing team, we've developed a cloud-based PDM solution. Whether you have no PDM system at all, or you're using an outdated on-premise tool like PDM Standard, we have the system for you. Allow me a few minutes to give you a tour of Sibe PDM. I know you're going to love it. Sibe allows for easy user management, invitations via email, and member and owner user roles. Sibe PDM also handles folder management permissions. Of course, there is no shortage of functionality when it comes to file management. Versions and revisions are handled along with workflow states. Check out how easy it is to utilize the revision workflow. Submit to start the process. Approving or rejecting is handled in just a few clicks. Sibe PDM puts a premium on collaboration and task management. Other users of your workspace can be notified automatically of pending changes and work needed. Let's not forget the ability of allowing visitors to view what's happening through our visitor links. The best part, the links are static, so use those links in your reports and other business systems. Of course, Sibe PDM's integration with SolidWorks is top-notch. It limits distractions, enabling functions like checkout and check-in right from within SolidWorks. For a thorough and personalized demo by yours truly, go to sibe.io/demo and sign up.